And today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. So I got this one.
Class Prez.
Yes, Class Prez and
Dazzle. So which one do you want to open first for them?
Dazzle.
The smaller one? See if you can pull the tab for them.
This is what she looks like.
She's so pretty. And she glows in the dark, guys.
She do glows inside the dark, and that's why I wanted to open her.
I think you need scissors. Hold on.
So I'm just gonna take off all the tape. Thank you. I'm gonna take off all the tape.
So she's gonna be passing me the doll to hold it up closer for you guys. The scissors is for the tape.
Oh.
Be careful.
I'm trying to.
Need help?
Yes, kinda. These blow up light girls are like so hard to open. And this is what she looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Look, y'all. She looks so cute. So let's get to opening her. Oh my goodness, I really want to make up right here on my thing. Oh my goodness. So first I'm gonna put her clothes. Well, I do that.
I'm just back here prepping the next one for her.
Oh my goodness.
Turn it around so they can see.
Why does she look so cute, y'all? Look. This is her little comb. This is her blush. This is what she looks like. I'm going to open her up. Let me figure out how to. So these are what her clothes look like. I'm about to show ya. These are what her clothes look like. I'm about to show ya. Look at her skirt.
Look like a tutu. Oh no, that's the thing that go over her arm, her shoulders. It's pretty.
So now I'm gonna unbox her accessories, I think.
Make sure you hold it up for them.
So, oh,
That's cute.
I think it's supposed to, this is like a little flashlight thingy. You can put off in. These are her little glasses. And her wristband, I think.
Yeah, that look like a bracelet.
So now I'm gonna unbox her. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited because yeah, I have another video. I'm gonna unbox 2 other wells and then I'm gonna unbox more and more and more. I think she like orange and pink, as y'all could see. Scissors, please. Thank you. So, I'm gonna...
Do you need help? Let me see.
I'm about to get her thing.
Just be careful not to cut her hair. I'm gonna show you guys me cutting it so you guys will see where I have to cut out.
So if you ever get these, ask your mom to open them unless you know how to open them.
Make sure you don't cut her hair. Okay, that side is out. Let me show you guys.
And my mom.
I'm gonna show you guys where I'm cutting the plastic at. It's like somewhere. I don't want to cut her hair. It's like some weird plastic.
And my mom has her own YouTube channel. Y'all should go, cause she's about to hit how much?
Almost 700.
Almost 700. So y'all go subscribe
Okay.
to show my mom some love.
This is so hard. I'm gonna do this off camera. Okay, this is Dazzle for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys up and close. Her shoes. She's so pretty.
So this is what she looks like as my mom showed you already, so y'all know. And yeah, we wind it and see what she looks like
Her
before.
stand. Brush.
Why we didn't need the brush when he's already in braids? And the stand.
She didn't come with shoes. I showed her already, huh? Okay, let's move on to the next one. I showed them the next one.
Okay, push it over to the side. So, here we got Teacher's Pet's big sister.
Class press.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, look guys, look at the details. Let's just take a moment to look at all the details. Oh my gosh. It says stretch your stuff. It says class press, a BB who is smart, fierce, and keeps it 100. Always raises her hand, goes for extra credit. And she's a Capricorn, guys. If you feel like I'm sorry, I can't see, an equation that doesn't add up, then it is a sign you need a break. Sorry, BB. So go ahead, get right into it. Show them the accessories first. And the box turns into a playset.
Yes, if y'all have all the other wells, got all the series. I only got series 3.
One more dolls for complete series.
So y'all, this is her jacket. This is her jacket.
Let me see. Let me hold it up. Her jacket. Look at all the deets. All the deets.
I really want to open her up.
So cute.
Look, y'all. I'm gonna open this one up. Oh my goodness. So I think this is her skirt. So I think this is her skirt. Tell me what you think. And I got it right. It's her skirt. Tell me what y'all thought inside the comments. So this is the skirt. Mommy, get it so they can see it close. So that's the skirt. Okay. This is her shoes. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's blue, that's fine. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all the shoes. Here's the shoes, and she is a size 6. One, 2, and the other.
This is her shoes. It's like a little logo. I guess it's supposed to be like a designer shoe. She's so classy and fancy.
Gonna probably was that LOL. OMG, dolls is probably Jackie's idea, because these dolls are so realistic and fun to play with. They could actually like move and like they're flexible, real flexible. Is it my tape? So, we got her accessories, her glasses,
So cute.
and then what else we got in here? Oh, she got a little phone.
Hold it up so they can see.
Little phone, you guys.
Oh my gosh, it says, what does it say? Let me see. It says teal pink. So cute.
And this is her little purse.
She's so classy, guys.
I think her phone could fit in here.
It does.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
So she could spy on people. I see the little camera. Her earrings, these look like
Those are so cute, her hoops.
and her and the one.
So I think you should put the accessories back in the box so you don't mix them up.
Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do another video. Accessories. Oh, because the doll's kind of easy to open. Okay. A little backpack. Little backpack for her. I can make like a real like OMG playsets and stuff and like that. Will I be done? Oh my goodness, so quick. I'm taking her out the box. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all probably this. Anyways, I love these OMG dolls. They probably just put it like that to make it like fancier. And I'm kind of tired too. Like, this is her blush. So, everybody, a question. If they are little, what's your favorite TikTok songs? I'm about to play with all of them when they get out.
Class prize, you guys. This is her out of the box. Her hair is so poofy and curly and pretty. Give you a close view of her. Let's just take a time to look at the deets. Beautiful.
Thank you. Okay. So yeah, I'm about to get her dressed. And I want to know what kind of videos would y'all like to see? Me more opening up stuff or me doing skits with all these dolls? Or both. Because I can do both. Look at her. Gonna get her dressed. I this would be good if I had like the whole swimming pool. It would have been good. I would have been like, it's good for y'all. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.